The top 10 most beautiful birds in the world. Number 10. Pink Flamingo. Pink flamingos have thick downturned bills, slender legs, long, graceful necks, massive wings, and short tails. Flamingos are highly social birds. Flamingos in flight are remarkable and attractive, with their legs and necks stretched out straight, resembling white and rose crosses with black arms. Number 9. Snowy Owl. The snowy owl is a giant with smoothly rounded heads and no ear tufts. The bird's body is substantial when seated on the ground, with dense feathering on the legs, giving it an overall appearance at the base. Snowy owls have white bodies and wings with different amounts of black or brown patterns. Females' feathers can be quite dense, giving the bird a salt and pepper appearance. Males become paler and whiter as they become older. The eyes are a yellow color. Number 8. Blue Jay. Blue jay's home is in the eastern part of North America. It can be found in both deciduous and coniferous forests, as well as in urban settings. It has a blue crest, a black U-shaped collar around its neck, and a black border behind the range. It feeds on trees, shrubs, and the ground and occasionally hawks insects from the air. Number 7. Wooden Duck. The wood duck, often known as the Carolina duck, is a North American perching duck species. The adult male has iridescent multicolored plumage and crimson eyes, and a striking white flare down the neck. The female has a whitish throat and a white eye ring. Number 6. Bohemian Waxwing. Bohemian waxwings travel across Northern America and Canada like a band of vagabonds in quest of fruit. Groups of waxwings descend on fruiting trees and shrubs at inconvenient times and locations, emitting high-pitched trills. These majestic birds have a spiky crest and a peach flush on their cheeks. Number 5. Atlantic Puffins. The Atlantic puffin belongs to the auk family of seabirds. It swims near the surface and feeds primarily on small fish caught by plunging underwater and propelling itself with its wings. The crest and back of this puffin are black, with pale gray cheek patches and white underparts. Number 4. Macaw parrots. Macaws are a type of New World parrot with a long tail and bright colors found in Central and North America in rainforests. Macaws are distinguished from other parrots by their proportionally longer beaks, long tails. In some species, the face patch is reduced to a yellow patch around the eyes and a second patch towards the base of the beak. Number 3. Peacock. Male peafowl is known as peacocks, while female peafowl is known as peahens. The blue or Indian peafowl, which is native to the Indian subcontinent, and the green peafowl, which is native to Southeast Asia, are the two Asian species. Peafowl males are famed for their piercing calls and lavish plumage. Number 2. Rainbow lorikeet. The rainbow lorikeet is a parrot of medium size. The head is dark blue with a greenish-yellow nuchal collar, while the remainder of the upper body is green. Number 1. Golden pheasant. The golden pheasant is found in the woodlands of western China's hilly regions. It stands out with its golden crest and rump, as well as its brilliant red body. During the breeding season, the male has a metallic call. The golden pheasant can be found in zoos and aviaries all around the world.